Hey lippy lovers, welcome back. Today we are doing a first impression of some new LipSense colors that just released here at Leadership Conference. I am here at our fabulous Airbnb that's really cute that you might have seen on my Instagram story, and I am super freaking congested. I came down with what I'm 90% sure is a sinus infection like right before I had to go on stage this weekend, so I sound like a man and it's fine. We're just gonna go with it. Give me your best cold remedies in the comments, you guys, because I am struggling and I have an event next weekend in Chicago, so the struggle is real. I'm showing you guys my first impression of the Intense Hues LipSense collection. There's also an Intense Hues mascara collection. So you guys can either get it as a set or as individual. I am splitting them up and showing you guys the lips in one video and the mascara in a different video so that you don't have to watch a 20-minute video. I'm just gonna take a really quick second before we get started here to kind of like recap what came out this weekend. We have the new lip colors and colored mascaras come out. You guys might have already seen the first impression of the colored mascaras. Be sure to check that out. We also have the men's skincare line that released. I'm gonna be making my husband try this once I get back to Dallas, and he will give you a full report. I also have a first impression coming of the Tahitian Collection. This was released in honor of our lips trip, which is one of our trips that you can earn as a distributor to Bora Bora. So this is in honor of that. I haven't had a chance to do the first impression of that yet, but it will be coming soon. Also, guys, I broke a board with my bare hands, okay? Like what? It was a great weekend at Leadership Conference. As always, I'll be giving a shout out to our viewer of the week at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around to the end to see if it's you. All right, y'all, keep watching to see my first impression of the Intense Hues LipSense collection. Okay guys, so here's the deal. I was not expecting there to be more crazy LipSense colors released this weekend just because we've been releasing so many LipSense colors lately. I was really crossing my fingers for like, I don't know, something else, something different. But I'm still gonna give you guys my first impression, even though I'm not like the most excited about more LipSense colors that like the general population doesn't tend to like, because most of my customers don't like these kind of colors, but I'm not a negative Nelly, so I'm excited. I'm excited to try them. New things are always fun. I was just personally hoping to see like a felt tipped liner or something like that, but you know, that just means they're saving those kind of things for later, so guess we'll see those later, hopefully. Now, there were 3 LipSense colors that released. One is a relaunch of an older shade, but in new packaging, and the other 2 are new shades. So let me show you guys. If you buy the collection, it comes in an organza bag with the lip color and the matching mascara. But we're just gonna be talking lips today. Now, the colors are, drumroll please, Midnight Muse, this is a relaunch, Majestic Purple, and Ocean Gem. Oh, I'm so sorry about my voice, you guys. So we're gonna be trying these 3 out today, giving you guys my honest opinion. Remember, just because I saw something doesn't mean I have to like it. I'm a real talk kind of gal, so I already have tried Midnight Muse before, so I'll just show it to you guys. It won't be really a first impression, but we're gonna start off with Ocean Gem because this one's probably, I think, the most like controversial out of the rest. I'm kind of scared that the Majestic Purple will look like Violet Volt, but we'll see what happens. Okay, here we go, you guys. This is kind of fun. It looks like a deeper seafoam type color, and I was actually shocked at how much I liked Candy Apple Green from the Carnival collection, which is already sold out, you guys, like what? But this Ocean Gem looks to be kind of like a seafoam, so we'll see how this is. Can't open it. There we go. It is a matte shade. I already know that from the prompt, so we're just gonna go for it. I have a little bit of acne going on, so don't judge me, you guys. Ooh, it's like teal. Ooh, interesting, okay. I feel like I like look sick. It's kind of fun. It's growing on me. It's going on pretty even, I will say, even for being a kind of crazy color. I'm impressed that the formula is not getting, you know, like icky, like streaky or anything. I'm not having any issues with patchiness or anything. It's applying really well. I actually kind of dig this. It's kind of fun. It's like edgy. Like I'm digging this vibe, you know? Wow. It's just like obviously not a normal lipstick color, so it's hard for me to like tell if I would actually wear this or not. It's kind of fun for like sports games. What teams have like a color like this? Can anyone think of any? It is what it is. I mean, it's green lipstick. It's like a deeper seafoam teal kind of shade. Yep, it's green lipstick, all right. Let me show you guys a close-up. Don't judge my mouth, is it, you guys? Well, there you have it. There's Gem LipSense. It's green. Okay guys, I hope you've seen enough of this. I'm gonna move on to Midnight Muse next. This won't really be a first impression. It'll be more of just like showing you guys, but I'm gonna put it in there since it's part of the collection. Okay guys, not gonna lie, that was really hard to get off, harder than usual. My lips are stained green, like slightly, you can probably tell. I'm kind of scared for how raw my lips are gonna be after this, after 2 more colors. So I didn't want to scrub them super hard. Since I still have 2 more colors to go, you'll just have to forgive me that we're a little bit green, sorry. Next, we're gonna be doing Midnight Muse. This color came out in the Prism collection 2 years ago with Prism Gloss and Mod Magenta. It is a navy matte blue. It's really pretty. It's great to layer and mix with. The biggest difference between now and when it was released in 2017 is the packaging. So it has the new logo, the new clear label, and all that jazz. I actually wear this color because it's like dark, like it's more like black, which is more wearable than like bright blue, unless you're like Kesha. Where are my other Kesha fans at, am I right? This color applies super well. I think sometimes people struggle with dark colors where the formulas are harder. God, I need to floss. I just haven't had time, you guys. So that's 1 layer, no streaking issues. Formula feels the exact same as the previous release of Midnight Muse. There were people like trying to say that they re-released this with a different color under the same name, and I was like, guys, that makes no sense. It's the same color, just in different packaging. I feel like I have to be super careful with dark colors to get the lines like perfect. Can you guys tell I feel sick? I feel like my energy is so low. Okay, what do you guys think of Midnight Muse? I'm like talking all weird because it's still drying. Now, I think this is a pretty wearable color as far as unique lip colors go, just because it's close to black, which is a more mainstream lip color now because of social media. I like that it's matte. It's great for sports teams because there's a lot of teams that have navy. Like my high school team is navy and gold, so it's super fun. I really never have issues with this color streaking though. Here's what Midnight Muse looks like on. This is a great color to layer and mix with or cheer on your favorite sports team. Are you guys brave enough to rock it? Let me know in the comments. I'll show y'all a close-up. I mean, it's a really pretty color navy, I will say. All right, y'all, let's move on to the last color from the Intense Hues collection. We have Majestic Purple. I'm anxious to see how close this is to Violet Volt. That was really hard to get off. I had to take a little break and go back in a second time to get all the stains off, and my lips are very exfoliated, so great. Now this is the last shade. It is initially I was concerned that it would be really close to Violet Volt, but it looks to be less pink than Violet Volt and more like of a grape tone. So I'm excited to check it out. I think that the purple looks super good in the new packaging. That's just me. I can't wait till all the colors come like this. I don't have Violet Volt here with me since I traveled here. I didn't bring all my samples, so I have nothing to compare it with, and all of my roommates are at dinner right now, so I am just gonna kind of tell you what I think by memory. But the one big difference is I already know that this is a matte shade and Violet Volt has a bit of an iridescence. It's not like a full-on shimmer or a full-on frost, but it's like on the edge, you know what I'm saying? Technically it says it has shimmer in it, but it doesn't really. It's kind of like in limbo. Let's just put it on and see what we think. So immediately, this is more muted than Violet Volt, I think. It's not as like in your face. It's like more of a grape. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone but me. I mean, if you like Violet Volt, you're obviously gonna like this one because they're in the same zone. It's pretty. So far, it seems to be applying pretty evenly. There's like a trash truck going by right now. Okay, this is the last layer. So far, so good. No streaking. This is darker and more muted than Violet Volt. Oh no, I just messed it up. Definitely different than Violet Volt. I can say that just from putting it on. I need to put gloss on over this to actually see what it looks like. But it's not dry yet. The only time you will mess your LipSense up is if you put the gloss on too soon after you put the LipSense on. It's not dry all the way. You'll notice you have gloss on your wand when you do that. This is probably my favorite out of all the colors. Probably the most wearable for most people. It's really pretty hue, like it's a true purple. It's not like a pink purple like Violet Volt is. What do you guys think? Let me show you a close-up. Let me know in the comments below which color out of this collection you would be the most likely to wear, which it could be a stretch for some of you, but that's okay. You know, new things are fun, right? Sometimes. All right, guys, our viewer of the week is Hey girl, hey! Thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Remember, to be my viewer of the week, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment below so that I know you watch. Be sure to hashtag notification squad if you're getting my notifications, which means that you've subscribed and you tapped the bell. Be sure to show her some love in the comments, give her a heart, give her a subscribe, all the things. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. If you haven't seen my first impression yet of the Intense Hues Mascara collection, you can check that out on my channel by clicking the link on your right. Be sure to click below to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay guys, this is a hard no for me, not my fave.